guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we'll show you how to remove and replace the rear engine mount. This is known also as torque strut mount guys. You have a front and rear one on the engine, and if those mounts are bad, you can feel the engine vibrating, moving under acceleration and braking as well. So we'll show you guys how to remove this one. We guys have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our goal guys is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So this is the Chevy Cruze. Most of the mechanical videos will be on this channel, Auto Repair guys, and we'll have probably close to 200 electrical videos on our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please guys check it out. Now let me get under the car quick to show you where things are located. So check it out now. Okay, this is the front torque strut mount. Okay, this right here guys, this is your rear one. Okay, and I'm going to show you now, okay, how you're going to remove that thing and how to replace it. So first thing guys, we're going to use some interphone. Check it out, listed in the description of the video below. I'm going to spray the bolts there. Okay, and these two nuts as well. So now guys, 18mm offset box wrench. Okay, two nuts. Okay, one bolt right there. So we'll attempt guys to see how that thing is going to come off now, because from what it seems like, I don't think we'll have enough room to slide towards the front, so we might have to remove some other bolts to get it out, so we'll see. Okay, this one is almost out now. Perfect, pretty long bolt. Now we need to hammer those bolts out a little bit, okay, so we can actually remove them from the top. So we'll see if that's going to work out in our case. Okay, now we'll see if we can grab them on top, if they'll come out, or they will actually hit on the power steering. So let's see now. So if I come this way guys, okay, behind the power steering here, okay, this is one of the bolts. So this is pretty long bolt guys. Now the second bolt, what is happening there, it's under the wires, okay, for the power steering. So don't hammer on the bottom, because if we do, we're going to break our power steering pump, so we'll need to disconnect it quick. So if we come right here now guys, on that power steering there is one bolt here, one here, and one towards the back, okay, this one here, with an Allen wrench. Okay, this is the Allen wrench, 6mm Allen wrench guys. Everything will be listed in the description of the video below. So I already got them loose. Okay, one is coming out. Now the second one here. Okay, and now the third one. Okay, this thing is a little bit of a limited room, that third bolt there. Okay, let me see now. Perfect. Okay, this is the third bolt. Now, let's see. Okay, what else we need to do, okay, to get that thing up. So we'll gently tap on it underneath. Okay, pull up at the same time. Okay, it's coming out, but it just needs a little bit more. Okay, you can see now we have probably about 3 millimeter gap, okay, underneath. So we'll see, guys. Okay, if we can get a screwdriver, help it come out. Okay, it's coming up, definitely. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, perfect. So this is the electric power steering pump. Now I'm going to get it out. Okay, and you can see where the second bolt is back there. Okay, this is the second bolt that we removed now. So guys, with 18 millimeter socket, guys, I removed 2 bolts on one engine mount bracket here. And the only way for me to show you that, guys, is once I get them out, okay, to show you where they're located, because okay, it's practically impossible for me. Okay, one of them here and one just fell underneath the vehicle. Okay, right there. Okay, let me take this one, these 2 bolts, guys. Once we remove it, I'll explain where they're located. Now, we need to come, okay, let me get the tools quick. Need to come on the front side. And here, guys, okay, we have one more bolt, okay, right there. So once we remove that thing, okay, we're going to attempt to remove the whole mount. Okay. Barely came out of the exhaust. Now we need to tap it with the hammer a little bit, because that thing might be stuck. Okay, it looks like we might have another bolt somewhere, so let me check quick. Okay guys, eventually it came out. Okay, you can see, this is the bracket, and we can get the mount. And this is it, guys. So let's pull it out and I'm going to explain where all the bolts are now. So this is the engine mount bracket, guys. It's fixed like that on the engine. This is the bottom bolt that we removed. This is the long bolt, okay, where the engine mount goes through the torque strut mount. And these are the 2 bolts that I removed on top. Okay, you can see one here and one over there. So now you have an idea, guys, okay, what needs to be done. So that's how you guys remove it. Putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. We have in the description of the video below where we get all our parts from for a good price. You need to install this one first and then put the bracket and you're ready to go. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.